I'm back with another Whiteboard Chat short tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can create self-checking fill-in-the-blank assignments, where students can type in their responses, and with a few simple clicks, the teacher can automatically have it graded, saving time for the teacher and providing immediate feedback for the students. To begin, from the instructor's board, upload an assignment where students will need to type in their responses, or you can create your own. Feel free to check out these videos in my playlist for more details on how this can be done. Then you'll need to go to the left-hand panel where you'll select Text Box. You will need to add text boxes over each blank space where you would want students to type in their answers. You will then need to right-click into each text box and select Add Answers and Points. This is where you will need to enter the number of points as well as the correct answer. You will repeat this process for all text boxes. Once that is set up, you are ready to invite students to the board. Here we have a side-by-side view with the teacher board on the left and student board on the right. Students will then select the typing tool to fill in the blanks. When ready to check students' work, from the teacher board, select the More Options or three little dots, then Auto-Correct All Boards, and it will instantly correct each student's board, marking correct and incorrect responses, even providing a correct percentage score, which makes grading that much easier. To view all students' boards, select Grid View, and you can see all boards at a glance. You can even join an individual student's board to add comments. Or directly from Grid View, you can select the sticker from the list of options, simply click and add a sticker directly to an individual student's board. And here to the right, we can see that it has been successfully added to the board.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to share with your colleagues. And to continue to support my channel, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, take care.